Hey, it's your girl Leandria. Welcome back to my channel. I actually posted this look about a week and a half ago on my Instagram page, and someone messaged me and was like, hey, do you have a video for this look? And I was like, girl, I got you. Yes. So go ahead and keep watching, and if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments below. All right. Hey you guys, I know I've been like MIA for a minute. It's only been like maybe like a week and a half, I want to say, maybe 2 weeks, I don't know. But this is just gonna be a talk through. Okay, so y'all don't have to excuse the designer bags underneath my eyes. My grandmother's funeral was yesterday, so it was definitely a tough day yesterday. I know that I probably took a break. I shouldn't have, but I did. I want to say about a week and a half. I haven't posted anything because, you know, just spending my last days with, well, her last days, like spending it with her. So it's definitely bittersweet, but you know, she lived a long life and she impacted a lot of people, so it hurts, but so I'm using my foundation that I always use, my favorite foundation, Lancome in the color 540W. I am doing more videos. I'm gonna record more a week. I want to say maybe like 2. We'll start off with 2 videos a week, and you know, we'll go from there. I think that's a decent amount. Got that all blends it in, girl. Yeah. Okay, the bags don't look so bad. I'm gonna use the same thing. Cinnamon and the color cream to conceal. So before the situation with my grandmother, I had the opportunity to do a hair photo shoot in Atlanta. One of my friends, she started a hairline, and I met with her in Atlanta. It was so cool. We had a really nice place to stay, and we had fun while we were out there. But I do plan on posting a video about that. I kind of vlogged it, the trip and all of that. So I'll upload that soon, like maybe within a couple of days. I went to Texas literally a couple days after that. I did not plan on traveling that close together. Like, I realized it takes a lot out of you. Like, I went to Texas. I mean, first I went to Atlanta, got back and was not in Vegas for a whole day. Then I had to be on a flight to Texas to go to a business event. And it was so cool. She was so sweet. So I'm gonna upload that as well, because it was just fun. And I do want you guys to see, I guess, like more than just the makeup side of me. Like, I do a lot of different things. Like, I just finished school, and I'm always on the move. Like, I love to travel. I'll be going to Florida next month. I'm so excited about that. Like, I'm so hyped. And yeah, so I haven't uploaded in like a couple, like a little while, because I had been going out of town, 1, and 2, I broke a nail, y'all. I broke a nail, and I said I do not want to come on here like, you know, with bomb makeup and my hands looking ratchet. And my nail lady was like, girl, you know, you can't come until, like, she didn't have any openings. Lord, what am I talking about? I'm just rambling, I'm sorry. But I guess I want you guys to know the real me. So I ramble a lot, I talk a lot. Like, that's probably my specialty, is talking. Like, before makeup, like, I talk a lot. So yeah, anyway, comment below what you want me to talk about. Comment below what you want me to talk about more of, I guess. If you want to do like a Q&A, a get ready with me, because I'm always getting ready for real. I love getting dressed. Even if I'm like wearing just, you know, like even when I'm not even dressed up, I'm like, ooh, I gotta do something to my face, you know, let me curl my hair right quick. sometimes I run into freaking Trey Songz at the grocery store, so I gotta stay ready at all times. So is anyone excited about Valentine's Day? Like, I love that time of the year. I love, so I think it's adorable, when people post their Valentine and their little gifts. I think that is so adorable. So comment below what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. Also, comment below with what you want to see from me next. I just let the powder melt into my skin because it gets oily and I crease a lot too, which is like, it's so annoying. I hate that because maybe no one else sees it, but when I see it, I just feel like it's ruined. Like my face is ruined. Like when I see a little crease like underneath my eyes and all that. So I make sure that I put a crap ton of powder underneath. So anyway, let's contour these cheeks. Like when I do like an everyday look, I don't really like putting all that cream on my face, like to contour my cheeks and all that. Like I just use powder. I just use the powder because I don't really need all of that, like just something, mellow. Okay. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, looking good, girl. Brows really quick. I still use e.l.f. gel liner. I used to use Inglot. I love Inglot, but it's annoying that when you they always are out of the black when you go shopping for it in the mall, and it takes forever to get it in the mail when all I gotta do is go to Target and pay $3.99 for e.l.f. and it works just the same. I only use e.l.f. gel liner on my brows. Like I don't use it as an eyeliner. Okay, so we're just gonna fill in the brows. I have a video on how to fill in your brows, so you can check that out after this, girl. There we go. Okay, that girl is flaky. Okay, just blend that out. Do the same thing on the other side. I'll be back. I'll do this off camera. My camera keeps overheating, so okay, I just set both with Sasha buttercup. That's it. Same thing. Take Morphe palette. I'm gonna take a skin tone shade. And just put all over the lids. Just an NYX eyeliner. Okay, the next step that I do to dress my eyeliner up, or if I drew my eyeliner on too thick or whatever the case may be, I always use NYX. It's a gold liner. It's very pretty. I love it. But today I'm just using it, for the video's sake. But anyway, before you use it, you're gonna want to take the stopper part out, because this is what makes it really like pigmented. Because of the stopper, like you don't get as much like glitter on the brush as you would without the little stopper thing. So I'm trying to take it off. Just give me a sec. Yeah. Oh, got it. Anyway, so don't dip the brush all the way down, because this whole thing is going to be like covered and you're going to get it everywhere. So just dip it just enough like that. And then let me show you how to hook your liner up, girl. You see that, girl? Anyway, don't do too much. Don't sneeze. Don't do anything, because before it dries, it will get on your upper lid if you're not careful. So just try to look down the whole time until it dries. Oh. It's like when you need to clean up your eyeliner, like if you just went way too crazy with it and you just put this on top and it doesn't look bad at all. Like it'll look like you meant to do that. I'm just layering it a little more because I want it to be like gold, 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 gold. So I'm putting more and more and more, but you don't have to layer it. I'm just extra. Don't look up because you're gonna get it on your upper lids. I'm telling you, I do it all the time and it's annoying. It's so annoying. I finally got it to dry. It just takes a little while because I put like 10 layers of this stuff on, so you know. But I mean, it's still good to use. I love it actually. Anyway, so I'm about to put some lashes on. I'm just gonna take like a tiny little line to go over to cover up the glue or and the lash band. One thing that I forgot to do, y'all, which I'm tripping, is to put just a little bit of contour powder on my nose, just a little bit. This is a light beat. We're not doing all that, you know, nothing too crazy. So just going down the sides of my nose with just a little bit of powder. Okay, so this is my favorite part. Y'all, I keep tapping my head. I'm sorry. It's ghetto. I'm sorry. My favorite part is actually highlighter. I'm using the same highlighter. I love it. Like I love it. Okay, it's Poshmetics. And this is like what I've been using you know, for a little while because I love it. Like the color complements my skin tone very well. So, you know, if it's not broke, don't try to fix it. So this is the highlighter that I'm using. And I think I actually should, hold on, hold up. Let me use some spray first. Let's highlight, girl. Ooh. I honestly feel like it doesn't matter what anything else looks like. You could fix it with some bomb highlight, you know? Like, if there's something that you messed up on, no one is gonna notice because the highlight is gonna be blinding them. Do you understand? Okay? So a little bit on the nose. Love that. I love that. You have my permission to overdraw on your lips. Now taking MAC's lip gloss. What the hell? Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, so that is pretty much it on the look. Let me know what you think below.